Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, gents sweater, full sweater, baby sweater, caps and mufflers. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. You can also apply this pattern in baby blanket. So this is 4 rows repeat pattern cast on multiple of 11 plus 4 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches, multiple of 11 plus 4 extra stitches and plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 28 stitches on my needle, 22 stitches, multiple of 11 2 time 11 plus 11 is equal to 22 plus 4 extra stitches 26 plus 2 edge stitches 28. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side. Slip pinch. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit for 1 2 3 4. Now 3 time slip 1 knit 1 slip 1 knit 1 1 slip 1 knit 1 2 slip 1 knit 1 3 slip 1. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 4 3 times slip 1 knit 1 1 2 3 slip 1. This is 11 stitches pattern 2 4 6 8 10 11. Again we repeat this pattern. How many stitches you have? So one more time. Knit 4 1 2 3 4. 3 times slip 1 knit 1 slip 1 knit 1 1 slip 1 knit 1 2 slip 1 knit 1 3 slip 1. Here we complete 2 time repeat pattern. Last 5 stitches. Knit 4 1 2 3 4 knit edge from right side. First row is completed. Now second row wrong side. Slip edge, yarn in back. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 4 1 2 3 4. Yarn in front. Now 3 times slip 1 knit 1 slip 1 yarn in back knit 1 1 yarn in front slip 1 yarn in back knit 1 2 yarn in front slip 1 yarn in back knit 1 3 yarn in front slip 1 yarn in back. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 4 3 times slip 1 knit 1 1 2 3 slip 1. Again we repeat this pattern. So one more time. Knit 4 1 2 3 4. Now 3 times slip 1 knit 1 yarn in front slip 1 yarn in back knit 1 1 yarn in front slip 1 yarn in back knit 1 2 yarn in front slip 1 yarn in back knit 1 3 yarn in front slip 1 yarn in back. Here we complete 2 time repeat pattern. Last 5 stitches. Knit 4 1 2 3 4. Pull edge from wrong side. Now this is third row right side. Third row right side. Knit these all stitches till the end of row. Third row is completion of fourth row wrong side. Fold these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. Fourth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1 to 4 rows, and after repetition of 4 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects of hand. If you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye fan.